The ongoing construction of Feni Bridge, also known as Maitri Setu, which will connect Tripura with Chittagong port, is being constructed by. Answer is National Highways and Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited. High Commissioner of India to Bangladesh, Riva Ganguly Das, has recently visited this place to inspect the construction of the ongoing Feni Bridge. This foundation has been laid jointly by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Prime Minister of Bangladesh Sheikh Hasina in the year 2015. International Yoga Day is going to be held on 21st of June in which city this year, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Answer is Ranchi. Yoga Day is going to be held in Ranchi of Jharkhand, which will be organized by New Delhi Municipal Council. Who has been sworn in as the President of Slovakia? Answer is Zuzana Kaputova. She will be the country's first female president. Coming to the static facts, Macky Sall is the President of Senegal. Win Mint is the President of Myanmar. And Volodymyr Zelensky is the President of Ukraine.
To download free SSC mocks and previous papers, go to google.com and search Cracku free SSC mocks. Go to the first link from the search results. Click on the exams link you want to take. Click on the free mock to take the test.
Which country is going to ban the use of plastic bags starting from July 1st? Answer is Bahrain. Coming to the static facts, the capital of Bahrain is Manama and currency is dinar. Likewise, for Ireland it is Dublin and euro, and for France it is Paris and euro, and for Qatar it is Doha and Riyal. Sahitya Akademi Yuva Puraskar 2019 has been announced recently. What is the maximum age of the author to receive this award? Answer is 35 years. Sahitya Akademi has announced 23 recipients of the Yuva Puraskar for 2019 on June 14th, and the president of Sahitya Akademi is Chandrasekhar Kambar, who has been named as Executive Director of Reserve Bank of India. Answer is Rabi N. Mishra. Coming to the static facts, Viral Acharya, Mahesh Kumar Jain, N.S. Vishwanathan and B.P. Kanungo are the Deputy Governors of Reserve Bank of India. Which organization has approved 1650 crore projects for infrastructure development for Tripura? Answer is Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank has approved a 1650 crore project to develop infrastructure in 7 district headquarters towns in Tripura, and this is expected to modernize all the district headquarters and boost tourism. And the headquarters of ADB is Manila, Philippines. Mahindra and Mahindra's farm equipment sector has invested $4.3 million in which Switzerland-based agri-technology company? Answer is Gamaya. Who won the Femina Miss India World 2019 held at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium, New Delhi? Answer is Suman Rao. She is from Rajasthan. And Shreya Shankar has won Miss India United Continents 2019 and she is from Bihar, while Shivani Jadhav has won Miss Grand India 2019 and she is from Chhattisgarh. Who is the only Indian to be in the list of world's highest paid athletes by Forbes this year? Answer is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli has moved down from the 83rd spot to 100th spot this year. And Serena Williams is the only woman in the list, while Lionel Messi has topped the list. Cracku is preparing excellent mocks for all the competitive examinations. To attempt the free mocks, please visit our website. The link will be provided in the description below. And for more videos, please subscribe to our channel and press on bell icon to get daily notifications. Thank you.